Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add stickers on Trello. The first thing that you'll need to do is simply go to Trello.com and log in into an account if you have an account, and if you don't, go and create an account. Here, you'll have first of all to go and access a board. I do have a board that has the list. I'm just going to create another list and stickers. That's and for example, sticker. And yeah, here to add stickers, simply as we said, we would like to add stickers. So to add stickers, you'll need to go to this left panel or right. Take a look at this top right option, three dots. Here you'll find these options. You scroll down here, or if you go down here, you'll find stickers. You go and click on that, and here as you can see, you find all the stickers that you want. If you want to add your own custom stickers, of course you'll be able to use those. Just go and click sticker, simply take it, and you'll be able to add it to a specific. If you want to add your own stickers, you can simply click on add custom or scroll down, then click plus button to add some custom stickers. For example, I do have here PNG. I want to add this as a sticker, and can now add this as a sticker. As you can see, very simple. So that's it. That's how you add stickers. That's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.